Okay, here we go. Um, this is a video recording for math. We are going to be discussing mathematics, and you can watch the video as many times as you can. If there are some difficulties, when we have time and we meet together, we can go through the difficulties and discuss them. Now, I'll give you a problem, and you will see what are we discussing in mathematics today. You go to Walmart after your Christmas present. You get some money after Christmas. You go to Walmart and you buy 6 memory cards for your PSP. In each and every one of memory cards, there are 4 games on it. Now, your friend asks you, how many games in total do you have? You went to Walmart, you bought 6 memory cards, and each and every one of them have 4 games. How many do you have? Is 6 times 4. You have 24 games in total. Another thing is, you are at school in your class. You have 7 rows in your class, and each and every one of the rows have 5 students sitting there. And somebody asks you, how many students are in that class? You have 7 rows and 5 students in each and every one of the rows. What do? Is 7 times 5. You have 35 students in that class, which means what we are going to discuss today is multiplication. We will discuss first multiplication of the number by 10, multiplication of a number by 11. Then we will see some multiplication strategies which help to solve multiplication problem. Okay, here we go. Let's start. Okay, we are going to see multiplication strategies, and we are going to see 3 things: how to multiply a number by 10, how to multiply a number by 11, and how to multiply a number by 5. Okay, to multiply a number by 10, let's say 10 times 4, you just take the number and you add 0 from 10. If it's 5 times 10, you just take 5, you add 0 from 10 is 50. If it's 3 times 10, you just take 3 and you add 0, 30. Okay. Now, when you multiply a number by 11, you make the double digit of the same number, which means 4, 4. 11 times 4 equals 4. If it's 11 times 5, you take 5 and you make the double digit of 5. This will be 55. If it's 11 times 6, you take 6 and you make its double digit 66. If it's 7, 77. If it's 8, it will be 88. If it's 9, it will be 99. Okay. Now the last one. If you multiply a number by 5, this is a little bit harder. What you do is you take the half of this number, the half of 4, it will be 2. Then you multiply that number by 10, it will give you 20. You see? And if it's 6 times 5, you take the half of 6, which is 3, you multiply it by 10, equal 30. That's the answer. Okay. Let's go practice a little bit what we've just seen now. Okay, let's start by 10. You have 10 times 6. Easy. It's just 60. You have 10 times 3. Is 3, and 0 is 30. Now 11 times 9 equal double digit of 9, which is 9. If it's 11 times, I don't know, 5, it will be 5 and 5. 11 times 3, it will give 3 and 3. Okay. Now the last one, which is how to multiply a number by 5. If you take 6 times 5, we say you take the half of 6, which is 3, and you multiply it by 10, and your answer will be 30. 30 is the answer there. Now if it's 8 times 5, you take the half of 8, which is 4, you multiply by 10, equal 40. 40 is the answer there. If it's which number? 10 times 5, you take the half of 10, which is 5, you multiply it by 10, equal 50. 50. You see, we do it one way. You can do it the other way, is to take the 5 and put the 0 from 10. It comes to the same. Okay. Now you have to practice. You can watch the video as many times as you can, and you go to your email to do your homework. Thank you.